Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. Since I did see a lot of bands last year, that I did see a lot of concerts, like AC/DC, Oasis, Electric Callboy, that some was on my concert bucket list. I figured I'm gonna update that one for a bit. Some bands are coming over from last year. Uh, the two biggest ones uh, is Rolling Stones. I haven't seen them, and considering that they are getting older, I kind of think it might be nice to see them live. And second one might be an obvious one as well. Uh, Bruce Springsteen, uh, since at least from what I've heard, he's doing some awesome concerts, long ones, but awesome. But there were three bands, well, three artists that that might not be as big as them, but and one who is really up and coming right now. Actually, the one that there is one that I have been listening to quite a long time now. That I do want to see live. Is actually, if you know her, Michelle Branch. Um, I've heard some of her songs is on my couple of my playlists, um, and I do love her music. I do love her famous ones, and I think I have to travel somewhere to see her live because I don't think she will ever come to Sweden. Um, but she is well, at least one of the few artists that I actually really want to see live. And the second is actually one that I have been list- listening to quite recently. Is a guy called Noah Kahan. Uh, I think he blew up with his latest record, Sixth Season, and I heard a song from it, and I was like, yeah, I want to see him live. And I I have seen um, that song at Fenway Park in Boston, and I was like, yeah, I can see why. He is. It seems like he is really good live. And the last one, at least for now, um, I will surely be updating this list later on this year. But the latest one, the last one, is a band that has been blowing up recently and is playing at Download Festival this year. Uh, it's South Arcade. Um, I have a separate playlist just for them, so and I must admit that I do like their music. And at least from what I've seen, they are good live. People are jabbing like crazy on it during them, and so yeah, that would be nice to see them live. Um, so yeah, comment below what you think, like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch up down below. Otherwise, peace.